laser mount that I have on the 2x4. This is from Woodland Works or something like that. I can't remember the name of the company, but somebody on Torchmate, or the Pirate 4x4 forum, under the Torchmate forum, had posted a sale that was going on these, so I picked one up. As you can see, I mounted the laser just above the rails, so I won't lose any cutting room in any direction. And I cut off that rounded piece, the mount on this laser that was supposed to go to, it's supposed to help it mount it onto a drill press, much like this one. So you can see how this is cup shaped back here. I cut that piece off on the laser and mounted it to this bracket with VHB tape. That's 3M's very high bond tape. And this bracket, as you can see, let me go to the other side. Okay, so that bracket, you can see that I mounted it straight up against the back of my mount for my AVHC. Forgive all the holes on the back of that thing. I was trying to build my own bracket when the original one wasn't working very well. And it basically just comes down. I can move it up and down if I wanted to, but I want it down as low as possible. And then it comes out here, just put a bend in it. Comes that way. Cut this with the CNC machine, and it's working pretty well. So now, as you can see, the laser looks great. You can see it easily. And then if I drop the torch, I have everything lined up. It's kind of hard to tell, but it's spot on. Let me go to the other side. Sorry about all the camera movement. As you can see, I have the lasers lined up right down there toward the middle. And it's going to work for my needs. It's going to work great. Thanks to whoever, I don't know your name, suggested this laser. And I hope the bracket idea helps other people. The other person had mounted the bracket up on the motor. I was trying that. I wasn't getting nearly as good of a result. I'm really pleased with the way this turned out, and with the results that I'm getting with the laser down there. And especially since I don't lose any cutting room. Thanks. Okay, I have to get a video of this too. Here's the laser in use. I'm sitting a ways away from it, and if I want to be able to see where I'm going, I can just leave the laser on now and line up my parts. Isn't that cool? I wanted to do this with the Torchmate laser, but I was going to lose a bunch of cutting room, which wasn't worth it to me. But now that I've done my own bracket and own laser, this thing's awesome. Let me zoom back out so it's not so shaky. There we go, all lined up for the next part. That's so cool. It's going to save me some time. This is just simulating the bracket that I already cut out there. You can see it. Torch will come up and it'll go back to program 0. So cool.